So today I'm gonna be riding my horse, and before you put the saddle and blanket and pad on, you need to brush them so that they don't get blisters, and I'm gonna show you how to. You're just gonna brush down and try to get all the dust and dirt off of them, because that's what makes them get the blisters.
What's your horse's name?
Ebb. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side and brush him. And you're just going to do it from the front shoulder to the back. So now that my dad is got the blanket and the pad on, because I can't quite get up there high enough to put it on. And now he's got the saddle.
Now what are you going to do?
Now I'm gonna lunge him in our round pen. So now that I'm on the horse, I'm gonna wait a couple seconds so that he doesn't start thinking he can go right as I'm trying to get on. Because if you take off right as you get on, the horse is pretty soon gonna just start taking off while you're trying to get on. This is my 14-year-old horse named Ebb, and he's a gelding.
Can that horse back up or do any tricks?
guess I'm done for the night, so I think I'm gonna hop off and we're gonna take the saddle and blanket and pad off and